Hey gardeners, are you using mulch in your garden? If so, you might be making some common mistakes that could be hurting your plants instead of helping them. But don't worry, I'm here to break down the biggest mulching mistakes and show you how to fix them. Let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes I see is what's called volcano mulching. That's when you pile mulch up against the stem or trunk of your plants. This traps moisture and creates the perfect environment for rot, pests, and disease. Instead, leave a small gap around the base, about 2-3 inches, so the stem can breathe and stay healthy. Not all mulch is created equal. Some mulches, like fresh wood chips, can actually steal nitrogen from the soil as they break down, while others, like rubber mulch, don't provide any nutrients at all. Choose organic mulches like shredded bark, compost, or straw. They break down over time and enrich your soil. Just make sure you're using the right type for your plants. Mulch works best when applied correctly. Too little and it won't suppress weeds or retain moisture. Too much and water can't reach the roots. Aim for a 2-3 inch layer for optimal moisture retention, weed control, and soil protection. Mulch doesn't last forever. Over time it compacts, grows mold, or just stops working effectively. Refresh your mulch once or twice a year, stir it up, add fresh layers if needed, and remove any decomposed material. Dyed mulch may look pretty, but it often contains chemicals that can leach into your soil and harm beneficial organisms. Stick to natural mulches for a healthier, chemical-free garden. And there you have it, 5 common mulching mistakes and how to avoid them. If you found this helpful, give this video a subscribe for more gardening tips and drop a comment below. What's your biggest mulching mistake? Let's chat. See you in the next video.